Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, today we will learn how to enable remote management service remotely via domain controller on a specific computer or server. Okay, so this is my client machine and let me show you. I am going to open here services.msc and we'll see here remote management service. You can see the remote management service is stopped here, it's not running. Okay, so we'll do one thing, we'll try to start this, or we'll try to enable this service from the domain controller or via domain controller. Okay, so let me go ahead and let me jump on my domain controller. Before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, please subscribe just to motivate me, just to support me. Let me show you one more thing. So before going to domain controller, I want to show you here my client name or the server name. You can see this device name is ABC, okay, which is joined to this domain itparivar.lan. Okay, let me close this now. Let us go to domain controller and I have opened here Active Directory users and computers. Okay, under IT team OU, you can see we have the same computer, same client machine. From here we'll try to manage the services, or we'll try to enable that Windows remote management service. So we'll do here, or you can do, go to itparivar.lan or click to your domain name and click here to search, or you can just right click and try to find and select this from users and contacts to computers. Type here your computer name, that is ABC in my case. Right click, go to manage, and then you can see here computer management services console opened here. You can see here in the last service and application, expand this, go to services, and then here you will be able to find the Windows remote management service. You can see here, you can see it is also here showing not running. Okay, so let's right click and start, or double click, and you can see here the option is like enable, disable, automatic, right? So if it will be disabled, you can just set it to automatic or manual or automatic delete. It is by default selected, so you can go with the default option, startup type, and just click to start. Okay, and just say okay. Let us go to the client machine and verify if that service is running or not now. Okay, here I have already opened, so you can see for now this is not started, but we already started from the domain controller side. So just let us refresh it from here. Okay, you can see it's started now and it is showing running. So guys, in this way you can enable, or you can start Windows remote management service via domain controller, or any service via domain controller from domain controller. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful for you. So I'll request you again to please subscribe, don't forget to click on bell icon, and if this video will be really helpful for you, please share with your friends. If you have any query or comments, please don't hesitate to leave your comment. Surely I will try to answer your queries. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.